Hi, this is Ida. Welcome to Retekess official website. And today I will show you our new arrival, the silent disco headphones, the TA003 and TA004. This is the transmitter. In this video, I will show you how to set up the system, and so that you can use it in your parties or the factory. First, we need to install the antenna. This is the antenna. And then you can see that this is the power switch, and there are off, low, and higher. And if you use it outside, you can put the level to the lower. Because there are built-in batteries in the transmitter, and it is the standby time is about 4 to 5 hours. But if you use it in the room, you can connect with the power adapter. When you put the power switch at higher, the working range will long. It is about 200 meters. But if you use it outside and use the built-in battery, the working range is about 100 meters, so you can use it based on your needs. This is audio cable jacket, and there are the audio cable in the package. I will connect it with the this side. This is 3.5 meters, and this is the RCA jacket, and I will connect it and plug it in. As you can see, this is the channel selection switch, and you can choose it 1, 2, 3. There are 3 channels in all. So if you use it in your bar or the parties, you can use 3 transmitter in all, and each channel plug in the different music, so the guest can choose the channels based on their needs. And next, I will show you how to connect it. And we need to long press the power key. And as you can see, the color has been turned to blue because for the channel 3 means the blue color, and I have changed it to the 1, and 1 is the red color, and I will press it and choose the channels. Because in this place we only have 1 transmitter, so they pair it successfully. And if I press it as 2 and I change the key, and this has changed to the green color, and then we can connect the cable. Connect the cable to the. You can connect it with the phone, iPad, or laptop to the audio in. I will plug it because, as you know, my phone is with this jacket, so I will plug it with this FM radio as the audio in, and I will power it on. This is FM channel, and I will. We have the sound we can put the volume key on this place. This is for the add, and this is for the decrease. You can see that. And as you can see, this it is very comfortable, so you can wear it, and it is adjustable as well. This is a hi-fi sound quality and very useful for your business. If you want to use it in your bars or the parties, you can contact us at support@retekess.com or visit our website to search the TA003 or TA004 to get the better price. Our website is www.retekess.com. We will be here waiting for a message. Bye.